Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's episode I'm gonna continue working on this Volkswagen Jetta that is a $500 and that is gonna be a present for my sister. Currently sitting where I left off in the previous episode, so now you guys know it's running and driving, and basically I can start doing a body work. While I'm gonna doing something else, I'll put a Michael for sanding process. Man, this is the stuff I hate the most, but hopefully he don't mind. So he's gonna prepare this front door, another front door, hood. Somewhere over there I have a rear door on which side? Driver's side rear door. So I'll give him red Scotch Brite. He's gonna prepare them from inside. I'll paint them inside. Hopefully by that time I'll be done with the frame on it. You know, that little piece that needs to be pulled out or replaced, whatever, that needs to be fixed in order to fit this part. So hopefully by that time he's gonna be done and I'm gonna be done with this stuff. All those parts gonna go back on the vehicle. So with all this information, with that being said, guys, let's jump right in this episode. Let's knock this stuff down and hopefully we can get far enough with this episode. Let's begin the process. So while Michael preparing the doors for paint, I think what I should do right now is replace the airbag, steering wheel airbag, clock spring, and also replace the roof airbags on both sides. This headliner is no good, so I'll destroy this headliner. Just gonna yank it out of here, probably just gonna cut it and take it out by pieces. Gonna replace and install the airbags back in place. Seatbelt needs to be replaced also. So I'm not gonna install the headliner for now because I have another headliner in the silver vehicle. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the windshield out on that vehicle to install it here. Since it's good, there's no point to buy a new windshield. I'm gonna be able to take off the headliner, and when I'm gonna cut out this windshield, I'm gonna able to stick that headliner back here and put everything back. I think that needs to be done first in order to move forward because this seatbelt locked also, so both seatbelts. In order for me to fix the frame, I need to get rid of that box, but in order to get rid of that box I need to sand it inside so I can flip it over, paint it, and put it on the truck that sits way over there. You can see with the green tarp. So that way I'm gonna get rid of that box from here so it's not on its way. And plus I have couple cars that I need to do the pull, WRX, this vehicle, and there's another vehicle that I'm gonna have to do a couple pulls. So that box needs to go, but like I said, I cannot install the vehicle in the frame while that box there. With that being said, let's get to the airbags, replace the restraint system, safety system, whatever. Just replace that, be good for it, and just do something else. So guys, as you can see, it got dark. So I'm done with the bolt airbags, roof airbags, and on this side also. Seat belts I will leave for other day. Since it got dark, I can't see anything, so I'll leave it for next day when I can come back earlier from work and continue. I mean, half of the interior done. Wheel airbag, 2 roof airbags in, so seat belts next, and then headliner after that. So yeah, coming along pretty good. So I'll see you next day. So guys, as you can see, it's the next day over here. Mike prepared all the panels, all the doors. So 3 doors over here. I have only 3 stands. That's why I'm gonna be only painting 3 doors. The hood is over there prepared. I also need to paint other white stuff, so it's okay. I can paint this, and then later on I'll paint the hood, BMW hood, and there's other stuff. So over here, everything prepared. I'm gonna mask off this, or just gonna cover it, and that's it. Gonna wax and grease, wipe it off, and I'm gonna be ready to paint. Big thank you to Michael for helping me out, and also I want him to work with me and sometimes videotape, but he don't like it. He's saying that he's no good and you guys not enjoying his videotaping. So please leave the comments if he should or he should not, if you liked it, or I'll try pull out the quiz over here, and, or if you liked it or not, click yes or no. He's really he's really worried about that. You guys don't like how he's videotaping. That's why he don't want to videotape me. So if it's not hard for you, please comment or answer the question. But now, why now? But just let's continue painting. Let's wax and grease it, sealer, base coat, clear coat, and be over with it. So it should be pretty quick, pretty simple. Let's fun begin. Sealer is prepared. I'll let it sit for about 5-10 minutes so it activates, and the doors are prepared, waxed and greased, and also masked off the speakers. Should be pretty simple to do. Hopefully I won't run into any issues. And the garage is clean, by the way. You guys probably haven't saw this garage so clean in a while, huh? So hopefully now I'm eliminating a lot of the dirt that I have in the garage spraying. And also I need to move this freaking compressor outside. I'm tired of this noise, and it's also blowing some dirt out of it. So let the fun begin, huh? I'll turn the camera in 5 minutes, and first layers of the sealer gonna be applied. Clear coat is pre-mixed, ready, and I think I'm ready to start shooting paint. Looks like everything dried. Yep, It's pretty dry. Man, I love painting in the mornings because it's not hot. It's getting warmer and also there's no bugs. I mean, I'm already a little bit too late in the painting. I think it's right around 9:30 or maybe 9 o'clock. I love to start at 7 and maybe finish at 9. But today I had other things to do before I can start painting. Today we actually celebrate my sister my daughter's birthday, so I'm painting before all the guests gonna get here. Anyway, let's apply a clear coat. After that, I think it's gonna be it. Paint job looks pretty good. I like it. There's no dirt. I mean, again, this is the interior inside panels, and it's really hard to see if there any dirt. Usually dirt you can see on the straight panels, side panels, you know, on the hood, side panels. But this is just interior, and again, I'm trying to finish my clear coat that I used before on the interior stuff or on the cheap projects. So that way it doesn't come out as expensive, because the green tech that I'm using over here, it's really expensive. It's not super expensive, but it is expensive. Anyway, 2 coats of a clear and we should be good to go. I gotta say, this parts came out pretty good. I really like how everything came out. I wish every single paint job comes out like this. Man, that would be so awesome. Yeah, but hey, it's done. We're moving right along. So I got the vehicle here already. What I wanted to do today, actually right now, is to remove this seat belt and remove that seat belt, and then remove 2 seat belts out of there to install it here. Let's get this knocked out and we'll be done for interior for now. Seat belts are back. So now this car finally started looking like a car, I guess. Look, it looks decent already. So what I wanted to do right now is take a water and slightly wipe out all this dust to see exactly how this interior looks. I mean, I like it. So far so good, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna look way nicer after I wipe out and slightly vacuum it inside. So let's do that right quick and go over it. Check it out. Done with the interior. Wiped it out slightly. Man, this thing looks good. Still got good interior. I mean, what could have happened to it? 43,000 miles. The vehicle been sitting. There should be nothing to it. Or will it focus on it? Anyway, it is a 43,000 miles. So yeah, this is it. Check it out. Those seats are comfortable, I would say. They're pretty soft, and yeah, I like the seats. Sucks they're not powered all the way. They only tilt power, but hey, this is gonna be a good vehicle for the, what is it, 19 or 20 years old already? I don't remember. 19 years old. So I think this is gonna be a really good car for her. Yeah, guys, there you go. Engine runs, vehicle runs, airbags replaced, all the airbags, seat belts replaced, headliner needs to be installed, and also airbag module needs to be pulled out. Basically, I would say interior complete. I would need to cut out the windshield and install a headliner and finish it all the way, but other than that, it's done. I like it how it's coming. It's coming pretty good actually. So hopefully next episode we're gonna start do some pulls and replace some doors and get all the interior together, all the front end, and start preparing for the painting. But painting is gonna be probably 2-3 episodes away. But yeah, guys, this is it. Oh man, I'm really happy how far and what time I was able to get this project somewhere when you're really busy. That's gonna be it, guys, for this episode. Thank you for stopping by. Hope you enjoyed the episode. I know everybody wants to see BMW, but things not working out on a BMW, so that pushed out slightly away. There's things that I'm waiting on, but other than that, we're gonna be, like I said, I'll be jumping back and forth on projects, in between projects. So there you go. Leave your thoughts down below what you think about this Volkswagen or maybe other builds. What's your thoughts and maybe some wishes. So anyway, if you want to see Inside Scoop before YouTube, follow me on Instagram at Salvagemasterv. Thank you for stopping by. Make sure you subscribe, but I'll catch you next one.